The mission for Africa 2100 is trying to improve the lives of those in underserved communities. And we seek to do that by empowering the youth within those communities, those who seek to start a business and need help doing so.
As Africa 2100, we also run an online program for the entrepreneurs to deep dive into ensuring that they're actually building a sustainable business model, that they have the right go-to-market strategy. In short, everything you need to know about starting and running a business.
So we recently completed a pilot program, which ran from the beginning of July through September across the 3 countries where we're currently executing. And it was very exciting to see that at the end of the program, 73% of these participants, about 19 out of the 26, actually launched their ventures or advanced the ventures which they had when they came into the program. We can see that this makes a significant progress towards our estimated goal of creating over 5 million jobs and adding about $5.8 billion in economic impact to these communities over the next 10 to 15 years. We're looking to also grow and build our ecosystem. And we're looking for investors as well as sponsors. Those who are willing to sponsor each of these participants or invest in their ventures, please go to our website. We need you to join our movement and help us unlock the potential of these African youth on our continent.